Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss it when you open Cash app in your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget or even if your Android phone, you may face a problem that please wait and you are unable to log in or sign in your Cash app account. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, when you face this type of error, it means that you are not living in that country where Cash app is working or allowed. So if you live outside of that country where Cash app is not working, so how can we fix it? So simply you may just go back and first of all you may open the settings, and guys you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here is the option of general, so click here, and here is the option of iPhone storage, so you may click here and you may select Cash app from here, then click here on offload app and install it again, then go back and click here on general again and click here on your Apple account, and here is the option of media and purchases. Click here and click here on view account, and you may change your country or region from here to that country where Cash app is available or working. So you may check here the option of country region, so you may choose your country from here, then you may go back and you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then guys you may connect any VPN. So let's check. So you may check guys, I have connected VPN to United States. Then guys you may click here on Cash app, and now you may check your problem will be fixed, and now guys you can open your Cash app and you can now log in easily. So let's check. So you may check all my accounts are showing here. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.